I am Trevor Boughner. I am a business management major and a math minor. I will be graduating in 2023. I worked with Hosh & Company this summer, remotely worked with a colleague from Traverse City, and we did a lot of claim adjusting with homeowners claims, wind damage, fire damage, hail damage. And then I would write up final reports and estimates for those claims and then send them back to the insurance carrier. And then they would issue payment based on those estimates. The internship really prepared me because I was fortunate enough to get a full-time job offer with Hosh & Company upon graduation. My long-term career goals will be to work for Hosh & Company as an insurance adjuster in northern Michigan and hopefully climb up the ladder that way. I really enjoy going to school at Alma. It's one of the things I really like about the professors. They seem to have a good relationship with all the students, and that was really important to me. I can see myself really continuing to talk with the professors after I get out. If I need advice on what to do in my career path, they always seem to be really helpful in that aspect and always talk about if a student does need help, that they will be there and that it's not just you graduate and you're done. You're part of Alma College for the rest of your life.